Hi guys, I'm so happy because we gonna renovate our living room and I will take you with me in this journey. I'm so excited to change my floor and maybe we can buy a new furniture for our living room. So the next days will be full for us, but I'm so happy and I will take you with me. But first of all, I made my cup of coffee and I will enjoy it. See, let me show you my coffee with my milk. I can give up on my milk. In the last days I eat some junk food, but I will stick with my healthy journey too. So this is the floor that we have to remove these days, but I will start with this closet just to remove all the clothes to make some space. So I will keep you with me along this journey renovation. So let's get started. So now all of these clothes will have to fit in these two bags. So while while my husband will make the space to pull out the floor, I will enjoy my cup of coffee. I just came back from work and I will enjoy my coffee. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 we took almost all the floor. It is a floor that has 17 years, guys. So that old it was. So hopefully today we'll finish to remove all the old floor, and to see tomorrow what should we do.